Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about Garmin paid $10 million to hackers. But why? What was the compulsion, necessity to pay that much of big amount to the hackers? Okay, in today's session I will show you why they paid that much of the amount to hackers. This is the website of Garmin, and this is US based company which is very famous, and their main objective is just to bring GPS navigation and wearable technology to different industries, that may be automotive, aviation, marine, outdoor, fitness markets. So it's having 15,000 associates in 80 offices around the world. So it's a very big company, and if you want to visit, just this is the URL of that website or the company, you can say, and then you can visit how big it is. So what was the necessity, why they paid that much of the big amount to the hackers? They just hacked their data. They just launch ransomware and encrypted their data, so that just to decrypt the data they need to pay $10 million to hackers. Okay, and how that executed, let me just show you. And they just displayed a message on their website. Yes, their website just affected by some kind of outage they are experiencing, and all the call centers, they're not able to take any call, or not able to receive any emails, or online chats is not possible, and they are just trying to resolve the issues as quickly as possible, and they are apologizing for this inconvenience. So that big company, what if we think, okay, are they not using any kind of security at their company? That's not true. They are using different security services, security devices, highly educated or experienced IT professionals, security professionals, but still they just faced that cyber attack on their company. Okay, so Evil Corporation is a group of the cyber criminals which just launching different kind of attacks, and they just attacked with the help of the wasted locker. That's the name of the ransomware which just they launched on the company, and it was happen this year in 2020, July 23rd. Okay, and what they did, they just knocked out Garmin's fitness tracker services. Okay, customer support outlets, commercial aviation offering such as flight plan filling, or account synchronous, or data database capabilities. So they just affected lot many areas of Garmin, and how that attacks happen with the help of the wasted locker ransomware. That's the process of their complete attack. You can see here, with the help of the browser, they just send some malicious code, which was a zipped file. Inside a zip file, a malicious JavaScript code was inside it. Okay, when the user or the employee of the company, when they just open that email which was having and malicious link, or malicious data, or malicious software inside it, a PowerShell with the Cobalt Strike loader installed. Okay, and that's try to contact to the servers, that is they just establish on the internet, and from that they just try to capture the next part of the ransomware. And after collecting the complete package for the ransomware, then they just we can say join the pieces and execute the complete complete malware on the user machine, and they they found out where the database exists, okay, which server is very important for that company, and then with the help of the AES and RS, double encryption they used to encrypt the data, and they just executed the ransomware with using the system utilities on the multiple devices or the multiple databases, where they just knocked out so many services of the Garmin company, okay. And in this way, just to sort it out that problem, Garmin just negotiated and paid 10 million US dollar to the evil group, and then they just give the decryption key to decrypt the data and the software which is used to decrypt the data, and then their complete company's database or the whatever the services they were using, then that's come back, and then they started their business. So the point is here just very simple. A small piece, a very small piece of the information which we just, if we are ignorant, if we don't have the knowledge to identify, yes, this is the this piece of information can be the malicious, okay. And if we just click on it, a one click can create a blunder in our complete organization. They can damage many things, and huge damage to the organization, to the companies, in the context of monetary point of view and the reputation of the company, and other different kind of damages company had to bear, or they just we can say experiencing different kind of cyber attacks. So just educate yourself, empower with knowledge, so that you would be able to identify, yes, this is some kind of not looking good traffic, not this software is just behaving abnormal, okay, or that can be just look like very legitimate kind of traffic, URL, data, but this is there is some catch inside it, and this can be one click can be create lot trouble in our company, okay. And follow me on the next for the next notification session. You just click on the follow button on the Cybersecurity Prism and get the notification. Share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand how the hackers are damaging to the different organization, and if any cyber attack will happen on the company, then how big damage they can have to bear, okay. And in the next session I will discuss about what is the next generation of Wi-Fi security. Namaste. See you in the next session.